Hey, happy Sunday, people. Today we're going to make a nice dill pickles. They're fermented dill pickles. We're going to use about 3 to 5% salt, fresh garlic, mustard seeds. You know, if you have just a faith that size of a mustard seed, that big, you can make a very nice dill pickle. You have to have your fresh dill. Make sure you wash your dill. Wash your dill very good. Then you have to have your cucumber. You measure the cucumber so it's gonna fit inside the jar, see? So you measure it up nice. And always wash your cucumber very good. I wash mine every day. Very, very good. Now, the way we do this is we take the jar and we're gonna put in the pickles. We're gonna put in the cucumbers here, just like so. You just put them in there like it's like a Rubik's Cube. For me, it's like a Rubik's Cube. And we're gonna get as many in there as we can. This one's a little too long. That's what she said. Put this one in here like that. Then we're gonna take the garlic. Oh, Grandma would be so proud. We'll take the garlic. Much garlic. Much as you can stand. We'll even crush. We'll crush a couple to make them nice. We'll crush a couple more. We'll crush them. See? Very nice. Then, most important, this is a dill pickle, so you got to put in the dill. Make sure you kind of crush that up too, so it's going to be a nicer flavor. Nice clean dill. Then we're going to take the mustard seeds, plenty of mustard seeds, some black peppercorn, and the salt. Much salt. A little more dill. And another cucumber for a good measure. Maybe another one can go in there too, I don't know. Then some beautiful water, clean water. And fill it all the way up. Fill it all the way up. Oh, the ginger. We got to put in the ginger. This is a fresh ginger, but it's a pretty good. There we go. Then this will just sit at a room, you shake it. Always a shaker your dill pickle. Shake it a lot. Try to shake your dill pickle every day. You come in, you go to the kitchen sink. When no one's around, you shake your dill pickle, okay? Just between you and me, we shake it as much as we can, okay? Then this goes in your sink like this. And it will ferment. See, we already made another one. It will ferment for about 4 days and they will be so good. And they have probiotics, they're good for your tummy, and they're very good, very healthy dill pickle. Enjoy.